Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detective YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing another product from the Detailing Kitchen, and this product is a whiskey scented pH neutral snow foam. So a few weeks ago hopefully you've seen the all-purpose cleaner that we tried, and well, in that video you'll have seen that we went to the Detail Kitchen open day as well, so hopefully we've put some footage of that in there. But today we're testing out this snow foam. So this is a whiskey scented snow foam, so for those who are into the whiskey, it's probably going to be one for you guys. So it does smell quite strong. Definitely smells of whiskey. So for those like I say who like a little bit of whiskey, don't drink this, because it's probably not going to taste the same, but it definitely smells the same. So that's one good thing. So let's read what this is about, and then we'll try it on this car behind us. This car's quite dirty, so it's the perfect time to try a nice new snow foam. So this cleanse your palette ready for the mains with our whiskey scented snow foam. Safe for your existing protection on the vehicle, yet maintaining fantastic pre-wash cleansing. This is the best way to start your perfect car care recipe. So with all the Detail Kitchen products, they're all sort of like aimed at, well, recipes, and the sort of split. So this one's under the starters category, the all-purpose cleaner's under the main. So I guess that sort of helps if you're new to like this car cleaning sort of culture, then it sort of helps you sort of understand where that product sits in how you use them, really. So you've got your starters, you've got your main, and then you've got your dessert, something like a Thai dressing or a quick detail, something along those lines. So let's see how we dilute this, and then we'll go ahead and we'll pop that on the screen so you can see that. And then what we'll do, we'll go and snow foam the car, see how thick it is, how well it cleans, and then, well, if it smells even stronger when you're applying it to the car. So some of these snow foams that have sort of like the scented, then as you're applying them to the car, the smell actually gets stronger. So hopefully it hasn't actually got any real alcohol in it, because a little bit of alcohol does go to my head. So let's see how to prepare. So using a dedicated Snowfoam Lance for your jet wash, place 100 to 150, depending on water hardness, of this product, and top up with water. So I'm going to pop that on the screen now, so you can see that. So I'm roughly putting, well, just over 150 ml in there, and then I'm topping the rest up with water. I'm topping it up with warm water. I always use warm water when diluting snow foam if possible. I don't know why, I just always have. So yeah, that's the dilution done. And then it says apply to the whole vehicle and allow 5 minutes to dwell, taking care not to allow to dry onto your vehicle in direct sunlight before rinsing with your jet wash. And then it says this will remove heavier soiling and soften remaining soiling on your vehicle, ready for the next step in your car care recipe. So, and then it says serving suggestions. So this is just a suggestion. Why not couple our Detail Kitchen official snow foam lance for great pre-wash combo? And then it's whilst the snow foam dwells, this is also a great time to agitate around badgers and the recesses. So perfect time. So that just gives you a few hints to basically what to do in the 5 minutes that it's dwelling. So now we've seen the dilution, let's get it on the car, and let's see how well it goes on the car, how well it cleans. Hopefully it will take all the muck. I'll put a quick video on the screen now of how the car looks. So as you can see, one side of the car is fairly dirty. It's got like a mud splatter up the side, so hopefully this is going to loosen that and take that off. And then on the other side, it's not too bad, but yeah, it definitely could do with a clean. So let's go ahead and start applying the snow foam now. Okay, so that's applied to the car. I'm going to leave it around about 5 minutes now, but the smell definitely does get stronger when you sort of apply it to the car. So yeah, if whiskey is a nice smell to you, then yeah, you're going to like this product. So I'm going to leave it for a few more minutes now, and then what I'll do is I'll rinse it off before it dries, and then we'll see whether it's taken that dirt off the side, and yeah, we'll see how well it's cleaned. Okay, so now the snow foam's been on the car and dwelling for a few minutes, you can sort of see here where the mud splatters were. So I'm going to rinse this panel off first, just to see sort of whether all that's gone, and then I'll rinse the rest of the car off. Okay, so that's pretty much taken all of that dirt off. So yeah, so far so good. So let's move the camera out. We'll rinse the rest of the car off, and then we'll go round with the camera up close and see sort of like what dirt's left. Okay, so that's the snow foam all rinsed off. So what we'll do now, I'll take my camera around the other side, and we'll have a look at that panel and see what's left over from that big dirt splatter, and then we'll come back and I'll give you my thoughts and where you can get it from and the price as well. Yeah, so let's take the camera around now, and we'll zoom in and see how well it's cleaned. Okay, so I've just washed the car off with the snow foam, and well, I'm just going to put some pictures out of the side of the car with the dirt on, well that was there, and show you how well this is cleaned. So as you can see, it's cleaned the dirt off really well, and well, the car looks pretty much clean. We still need to wash it with the 2 bucket method, but it has cleaned the car up really well. So all the soil that was on the side of the car, yeah, that's pretty much gone, which is what we was looking for with this snow foam, with the sort of like the cleaning effect. Yeah, it has done well. The price of this was, well, it is $5.99, which for 500ml for a snow foam, which is quite dilutable. I have used quite a lot, but yeah, $5.99 is not bad at all. The smell, well, it definitely smells of whiskey, so if you are if you do like the smell of whiskey, or you are into drinks, then yeah, this is probably one to try, because you might like the smell of it, and when you're applying it to the car, the smell does get really strong. So yeah, you will like that if you like those sort of things. When applying it to the car, it wasn't too thick, but it was thick enough to sort of like clean the soil off. I left it to dwell for about 5 minutes, but I don't think you'd be able to leave it to dwell any longer, because yeah, it was basically running off the car, which after about 5 minutes you are ready to rinse it off. But the cleaning power was good. So yeah, that's the whiskey scented pH neutral snow foam from the Detail Kitchen. You can go check them out. I'll put the links below for them. They've got a full range of products. So, and well, we've already tried the all-purpose cleaner, which was a few weeks ago. I'll put a link to that on the screen somewhere now. And then in the coming weeks, yeah, we've got more products to try as well. So go check them out. They're fairly new, but yeah, they're doing quite well to say that they're new. And yeah, the products actually work. So cheers for watching. Make sure you go check them out, and we'll see you again for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!